Choosing between Kimi K3 and Claude Fable 5 in 2026, both are powerful AI models, but they excel in different areas. In this next 3 minutes, I will explain the key features so you can decide which one is right for you. Introduction. Kimi K3, developed by Moonshot AI, focuses on speed, coding, multilingual support, and cost efficiency. Cloud Fable 5, developed by Anthropic, is designed for high quality reasoning, creative writing, and handling long, complex conversations. Let's compare them. Performance and reasoning. Cloud Fable 5 has the advantage when it comes to deep reasoning, analyzing complicated topics, and producing well structured responses. It's especially useful for research, writing, and professional tasks. Kimi K3 performs extremely well too, particularly in coding, mathematics, and general problem solving. It also delivers answers much more faster in many everyday tasks. Winner, Cloud Fable 5 for reasoning, Kimi K3 for speed. Coding and productivity. If you are a developer, Kimi K3 is an excellent choice. It generates code quickly, helps debug errors, and supports multiple programming languages efficiently. Cloudy Fable 5 also performs well with coding, but stands out when explaining code, reviewing large projects, and helping developers understand complex logic. Winner, Kimi K3 for coding speed, Cloudy Fable 5 for coding explanations. Pricing and availability. Kimi K3 is generally more affordable and offers generous usage limits, making it attractive for students, startups, and daily users. Cloudy Fable 5 typically costs more, but many professionals consider the extra price worthwhile because of its stronger reasoning and writing quality. Winner, Kimi K3 for value. Writing and content creation. For blog posts, scripts, emails, and creative writing, Cloudy Fable 5 usually produces more natural, polished, and context aware content. Kimi K3 still creates high quality writing, but its responses are often more concise and direct. Winner, Cloudy Fable 5. Which AI should you choose? Choose Kimi K3 if you want faster responses, strong coding performance, better value for money, excellent multilingual support. Choose Cloudy Fable 5 if you need advanced reasoning, high quality writing, long form conversations, professional research assistance. Final verdict. There is no single winner for everyone. If your priority is speed, coding, and affordability, Kimi K3 is the better option. If you care more about reasoning, writing quality, and handling complex tasks, Cloudy Fable 5 is the stronger AI model. If this comparison helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other AI comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.